Alright, Allison, we're back with Gracie. What I don't want you to worry about is this dog is going to run off. You're going to be able to use your pager to get her to go back. And if you had to, you can use your nick. You know, so she isn't going to run off. You've got to get that fear out of your head. So anyway, for everybody at home, if you've got a little sidewalk like this you can use, it's going to help you with your refining heel. I wouldn't go over on this grass right here right now and start working on heel. She started to just lay down on her own because that's becoming her default behavior because she's learned that that's how she gets rewards. So I'm just going to do a little tap. I'm going to go ahead and get her down. She was already thinking about doing it anyway. So I'm just going to work on a little healing. I'm going to lift her up. I'm going to pull her with that pager. Gracie, pull her right around that turn. Down. Wonderful. No, down. So remember, we're defining down as being over on the hip. And some, moronic woman put some comment on one of my videos. Oh, if you want it to go like that, you need to say side. Okay, that's, what an inexperienced trainer would do. This is down by definition. Gracie, to have an additional command, heel, is not right. It's all very, very long. I'm turning her with that pager on that turn. Not getting in a big hurry with her. It's not a race. So I'm going to turn her with that pager so you can watch her head heel. I'm going to add my foot signal. I'm not going to come to a screeching halt. Do it. Gracie. Heel. Keeping this arm bent. I'm keeping my remote here. Kind of come to a screeching halt right there, but what the deal was she was already stopped. Gracie, what you're going to do, because heel, if the dog is constantly ending up in front of you, so I'm going to stay down, and then I'm going to step and start my pager, and stay down, start my pager, then incorporate my little step. She ends up right beside me. Now I'm going to say her name and say heel before I go. Gracie, heel. And then I went. You see what I'm saying? I didn't take off. Big hurry. All through. You don't want to have that panic of that she's going to run off. Oh, you need to be able to take her on a nice little picnic. No, but I have, even though, and you've got to have situational awareness. I'm keeping my finger on that button. I'm not going to set this thing down. I'm not going to, put it around my neck or anything like that. You've got to be ready. Listen, you playful little dog. And you need to be, the world is full of distractions, but if you've got that little ball field or whatever you can go to, Gracie, she likes the dolphin. Maybe we can get her toes up there by it. anyway, and I do have my nick set on about 40. You know, in case some kids on a skateboard came by or something, I'm going to tap, tap, tap on my nick is what I'm going to do. You know, you see she stays right with you there. Gracie! Beautiful, beautiful little spin. Spins like a top. Now, we do want to start being able to get her to go down from just a release command. I'm not healing or doing anything right now. I want to be able to just get her to drop. You don't want to do it all the time though at this stage. You don't want to constantly call the dog and make it drop, but you know, say if someone started to walk by or whatever, down. You know, we're starting to separate the behaviors. All right, girls, see you tomorrow.